Hi, and welcome to Module 1 of Data Science for Healthcare. And in this module, my goal is just to get you up and running in the coding environment that we're going to use for this course called a Jupyter Notebook. Now, if you have a different coding environment you prefer to use, by all means, go ahead and do that. But we're going to use Jupyter Notebooks throughout these demonstrations. And so in this video, I want to show you how to get that set up and ready to go for the coding that we'll do in the course. We're going to use Jupyter Notebooks through a service called or a platform called Anaconda. So if we just go to a search engine here, type in Anaconda distribution, it should be one of the first results that come up. So we'll click that here. Now you can provide your email and sign up if you want to, but for now we're just going to skip that part. And that will take us to the download page. And so on the download page, you can select the appropriate download for your computer. And then once you download that, you should see the Anaconda Navigator. And so if we click on the Anaconda Navigator app, give that a minute to load here, that will take us to this interface, the Anaconda Navigator. Now there's a lot you can explore here and a number of other tools, but right now we just want to use the Jupyter Notebook. So it's going to be the box that looks like this. So we will launch our Jupyter Notebook here, and that will take us to this interface. Now, just for the sake of demonstration, you can open your notebook in any folder here. So I'm just going to go to the desktop, find the new tab, and do a new Python 3 notebook. And this is what that will look like. So now we're in our Jupyter Notebook, and you can start coding here. So if you want to do a little bit of math, or if you want to print some text, or if you want to use what's called, instead of code, you can use a markdown. So some text. So you can include text with your Python code here in a Jupyter Notebook. So this is actually a really handy tool and coding environment to use. But if you have any trouble downloading it, you can go back to the Anaconda page, and they have some resources here, a support center and learning, that should help you get that up and running. So once you get to this part, you have your Jupyter Notebook ready to go, and that's what we're going to use to code in for the rest of the course. And so with that, I will see you in the next module.